Corruption-free India is a dedicated death trial against time. Corruption-free India is not a dream, but a journey towards goodwill, peace, and value. Corruption-free India is a bouquet for the poor woman, poor farmer, poor student, and the teacher. Corruption-free India is hated by IAS and IPS officials because no official, no administrator can work without the cooperation of people working under them or with the acceptance of the leaders. Corruption-free India is unreachable by doctors, nurses, paramedical force in the hospital, equipment manufacturers, equipment dealers, and the middlemen. Corruption-free India is unattainable by a leader and is unreachable by politician. Corruption-free India is not a rhyme, but an arrow that energizes the present, future, and the past. Yoga boosts the moral, and yoga is the journey towards the mandate of corruption-free India. Corruption-free India marches towards a free community as defined in the Bar Council of India. Corruption-free India is hated by the advocate and judges because no judge can deliver his direction without adjustment from the advocate, court officials, and middlemen. Corruption-free India is unattainable by one man, but corruption-free India is attainable in good governance by all the stakeholders in India, and corruption-free India is reachable only in yoga and Bhagavadgita. Yoga is an arrow on corruption, and Bhagavadgita is an angel for freedom in India. And Bhagavadgita is an angel for corruption-free India. Yoga is the Bible for Bhagavad Gita, and yoga is the Quran for the Bible in good governance. Yoga is the wrist for the 5 fingers, and Bhagavad Gita, Bible and Quran, that makes the fingers not to reach corruption at any time. Please understand, it is only the finger and the mind that reaches the corruption or the bribe. Good governance is the foundation for corruption-free India, and the President of India is the custodian of corruption-free India. Yoga is the duet for world peace and poverty. Yoga is the ditch for corruption, and yoga is the angel for corruption-free India. Thank you and goodbye. Thank you, Mr. Citizen, and thank you, Mr. Leader. Thank you, Mr. Parliamentarian, and thank you, Mr. Speaker, and finally, thank you, Mr. President of India. Thank you and thank you. a letter received by me from Registrar of Vigilance by reply paid AD dated 27/8/2019. The subject is complaint against TMT A. Barsad Begum. Barsad, sad means she is not sad. Actually, her name is Barsat, Barsath. This is the vigilance letter, sir, with so many mistakes. Then third additional district municip, Tirumangalam, another, and present sub-judge at Melur is given the reply, but I don't know what action they have taken. This registrar of vigilance, what action they have taken, I don't know. From last year, August. This year, almost it will come August 2019, he has replied. Now this is going to be 2020. Because Corona is there, they will open the court in July and they may start the work at Vigilance, Chennai. New judge also has come, one CJI, Mr. Sahi, and he is very busy with his own dignified matters of the High Court. This is good governance in Tamil Nadu, sir. Okay. In another case, see, this sub-judge by name Anupunar Thiru S. Muthukumaran. Oh, BSc, BL. I don't know what he has studied. Anyway, it's all right. He is a judge and I am a complainant and I am an affected person. He has asked these two advocates to surrender all the papers to the court. And he has given in 2018, September 12th. 12th September. Sir, oh, now I found this is my birth date, 12/9/1948. Thank you, Mr. Nidibadi. Thank you, Mr. Nidibadi, Mr. Muthukumaran. On my birthday, you have sent one letter, okay, to these two people. But they have not taken any action on this documents also. This is good governance in Tamil Nadu. This is the fate of good governance in Tamil Nadu.
हमारे हिंदुस्तान के सैनिकों ने बहुत जबरदस्त रास्ता निकालना चाहते। हम सद्भाव में विश्वास करते, हम आपसी भाईचारे में विश्वास करते, हम बातचीत के माध्यम से रास्ता निकालना चाहते हैं विवाद का। लेकिन अगर कोई हमारी संप्रभुता पर अतिक्रमण करेगा तो उसका हम जवाब भी देंगे और कसकर देंगे, ये समझना बहुत जरूरी है।
Hello, my dear Minister Ji. Welcome, sir. Welcome. You became the law minister in 2014 and you said that India is facing 300 lakh pending cases in the trial courts and in the high courts. And you have promised that some steps will be taken to immediately reduce the number of cases. And you said that there are about 520 acts in India which serves no purpose. And you have promised that the number of acts will be reduced. But sir, again in 2017, you conducted a survey and you found that the number of pending cases in India is as much as 300 lakh in number. Sir, you have not taken any action, sir. Please see this video. And in Tamil Nadu, Good governance is lost because of the judicial failure. All Tamil Nadu courts are suffering from judicial accountability, judicial supervision, corruption, nepotism, maybe seat fixing, transfers, and many other factors. Whereas in Pakistan, if you see the Twitter page about the Chief Justice of Pakistan said that 20 lakh pending cases are reduced in 1 year to 0. Sir, please see this OS 30 of 2014, which is a waste case, which is a concocted case, which is a corrupt case. Pachari Yoga International Trust, that is part. This is to certify that OS 30 of 2014 on file with additional district municip Tirumangalam is mollified, illegal, concocted, corrupted and corroded in judicial value, and that Pachari manages to file petition in person to set aside the ex parte permanent injunction in IA number 301 of 2019. This is to certify that this trust places highest esteem in judiciary, and in view thereof praise the Honorable ADM Court at Tirumangalam to forward all documents in OS 30 of 2014 to the Registrar of Vigilance at Chennai, Honorable High Court, before whom the said matter is pending. Pachari approaches Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Bar Council of India to invoke penal provisions on erring advocates Mr. S. Murugadas of Madurai, Mr. G. Adaikalam and senior advocate S. Namachivayam of Tirumangalam for bribing and judicial trespass in the Honorable ADM Court in OS 30 of 2014. Pachari praised the Honorable ADM to place the accused Kapalur Sitco, Amman Palimer S. Anandan and officials of KIA for crimes in crime number 135 of 2015, crime number 82 of 2017, and for jumping anticipatory bail of the Honorable Madurai Bench, High Court. Thus signed, Pachari Yoga International Trust, approved senior fellow valuer at the Institution of Valuers, New Delhi, thus dated 25th day of January 2020. Pachari Yoga International Trust, that is right. This trust endorses that Modi alone can push aside the evil force like black money that has entered Into every Indian, this trust boldly certifies that black money is entering into the community like a dad for the darling, and for the darling for the dad to destroy the youth force in India. This trust is the watchdog in driving the black money and the black wealth. Om. Thus signed by the sole mandate holder for Pachari Yoga International Trust, dated this 24th day of February 2020. Om. Council did not take any action, sir. The Bar Council has become defunct. Tamil Nadu Bar Council has become Bribers Club. Please take immediate action and save me, sir. I am the petitioner, and I lost about 10.7 lakhs in rent because of this false case. And the judicial value in Tamil Nadu is 0. I have also uploaded good governance in Tamil Nadu, sir. Please take immediate action, sir. Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad ji, please take immediate action, sir, and save the Indian judiciary and the Indian parliament from criticism, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Immediately go through the vigilance letter, sir. Vigilance has given a letter that is numbered as 583 2019 against this Basat Begum, sir. See, there are allegations against A. Basat Begum. Then third additional district municip Tirumangalam, now sub-judge at Melur. This letter, vigilance letter, is dated 27th day of August 2019, sir. This letter is addressed to me, Surendranath Pachari at Madurai, sir. Please see immediately and place this Barsad Begum and another judge, S. Muthukumaravel, immediately in suspension and dismissal, sir. It is a fit case. It is a fit case where you can dismiss even the advocate S. Murugadas and G. Adaikalam, sir. Please immediately follow this and send me the relief, sir. I have lost 10 lakh rupees by way of default in rent, sir. This OS 30 of 2014 on file with the ADM court at Tirumangalam is utterly false, nonsense that cannot stand in the judicial path.